Class 10. In today's class, I am going to explain you first step deviation method. So this is the third method for finding mean. Okay. First method was direct method. Second was assume mean method. Now this one will be step deviation method. When you will use this method, mean formula will be A plus summation of Fiui by summation of Fi. This one is Fi into H. So for finding mean, now formula will change and formula is this. Formula is what? A plus summation of Fiui by summation of Fi into H. Now H is class size and Ui formula is Xi minus A by H. You have to learn this formula properly, otherwise you will not be able to find Ui, because if you will not find Ui, you will not be able to put it in the given formula and you will not be able to get your mean. Okay, so H is class size and Ui is Xi minus A by H. Understood up to here? Now how you will find class size? Class size means class interval, whatever in class interval is given to you. Suppose that in this class interval it is given 0 to 30, means you have to subtract this with this. So 30 minus 0, how much you will get? 30 only. So class size will be 30. In class 9 you have already done that, how to find class size, but again I will repeat this one. Okay. Now see question number exercise 26.1, question number 9.1. First read question number 9. It is written in the question that let us find the mean of the following data by step deviation method. They are telling you to use step deviation method for finding mean. Okay. And question number Roman 1 is class interval 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150. And frequencies are 12, 15, 20, 25 and 8. Understood? Now, how you will do this one? You have to make how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns. Okay? You have to make 6 columns for finding mean using step deviation method. Now in first column you will write class interval which is given already in your question, 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150. Understood? And one more thing is given to you which is frequency, and we know that frequency is denoted by Fi. So frequencies are 12, 15, 20, 25 and 8. Okay. Now what you will do, you will add all this 12 plus 15, 27, 27 plus 20, 47, 47 plus 25, 47 plus 25, 7, 5, 12, 4, 2, 6, 7 and 7 plus 8. You will get how much? 80. So summation of Fi means total frequency is 80. Understood up to here? Why I am finding frequency Fi? Because in the formula it is written mean equals to A plus summation of Fiui by summation of Fi into H. Means we need summation of Fi. Okay, that is why I am finding Fi. In this question I am getting Fi as 8080. Now when class interval is given to you, you know in assume mean method you have already done that how to find Xi. It is very easy. Xi is nothing but upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So upper limit in the question, this one upper limit is 30 and lower limit is 0. So 30 plus 0 divided by 2. How much you will get? 30 by 2. Now you will cancel this one. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are. You will get 15 Xi. Okay. Now in the second one, 30 and 60. Upper limit is 60, lower limit is 30. So 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 divided by 2. Always you will divide by 2. Now 60 plus 30 you will get 90. 90 by 20. 2 ones are 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Means 45. Okay. Now the third one is 60 to 90. Means upper limit is 90. Lower lower limit is 60. Means 90 plus 60 divided by 2. So 90 plus 60 divided by 2 will give you 150 by 2. When you will cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10, 75. Now 90 to 120. 90 to 120, upper limit is 120 and lower limit is 90. So 120 plus 90 means lower limit by 2. You will get 210 by 2. Now cancel this one. 2 ones are 2 ones are. You have to put 1 0 because you are taking this one at a time. So 2 fives are 10. 105. Now again upper limit plus lower limit. Upper limit is 150. Lower limit is 120. 150 plus 120. 150 plus 120 divided by 2. You will get 270 by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. It means 135. This one is 135. Since I am not getting place, that is why it is coming little bit in bottom. Okay. So please try to understand this one. You will understand how to. Now after finding xi, you have to find di. And di formula you know in assume mean method you have already done that di equals to xi minus a. Now how you will find a? I told you in the last class also. Again I am telling you, you will find a value using xi value. So in xi value how many values you have? 15, 45, 75, 105, 135. Which one is in middle? The third one, because if you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2 here up and 2 down, and middle one is 75. If it is even, I told you you can take third. Suppose that even is 6. Even numbers, if xi value is even, means 6 times you are getting xi value. So which one you will take? You will take either third one, either third 1, 2, 3, either third one or fourth one. It's upon you which one you want to take. Answer will come same in the last. Okay. So here since it is odd number, I can easily take a value 75. So di equals to xi minus a. Xi is how much? Xi minus a is 75. So xi minus 75. Now in each question x will change. Okay, x will change. So in the first question x is 15. Okay, so 15 minus 75 minus 60. Since 75 is greater number, it will come minus sign. Okay, so minus sign will come here because 75 is greater number. Same thing you will do. 45 minus 75 equals to minus 30. 75 minus 75 0. 105 minus 75 30. 135 minus 75 60. Understood? Now after this you have to find ui. Formula of ui is, I told you first, xi minus a by h. So first write ui equals to xi minus a by h. Now in each question first you are finding xi minus a. Xi minus a value is how much? When you are subtracting this to minus 60. So in place of xi minus a, you will write minus 60 by h value is 30. Why? Because h is nothing but class size, and if you will subtract upper and lower, 30 minus 0, 30, 60 minus 30, 30, 90 minus 60, 30, 120 minus 90, 30, 150 minus 120, 30. Means class size will be same in each case. Okay, it will not change. If it is changing, it means you are doing somewhere wrong. Okay, so xi minus a, you are getting in the first one minus 60. So in place of xi minus a, you will write minus 60 by h. H is 30. So 0, 0 cancel. 3 ones are 3 2s are minus 2. Now again in the second one, xi minus a is minus 30. So you will write minus 30 by h. H is 30. So 0, 0 will cancel. 3 ones are 3 ones are. You will get minus 1. Now in the third one, xi minus a is 0. Xi minus a value is 0. So 0 and h value is 30. 0 by 30 will give you 0 only. Now 105 minus 75 you are getting 30. So xi minus a is 30 and h is already 30. So 30 by 30 you will get 1. Okay, when you will subtract 0, 0, when you will cancel, you will get 1 only. Okay, 0, 0 cancel, 3 1 3 1, you will get 1. Now 135 minus 75 equals to 60. So xi minus a, you are getting 60. 60 by 30. 30 is h. So 0 0 cancel. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 2 you will get ui value. Now here you have to find fi ui. Fi ui means where is fi? In the first one fi is 12 and ui is minus 2. So 12 into minus 2 you will get minus 24. Now fi ui again. Fi is 15 and ui you are getting minus 1. So 15 into minus 1 you will get minus 15. Now in the third one fi is 20 and ui is 0. So 20 minus 0 you will get 0. Now in the fourth one fi is 25, ui is 1. So fi into ui 25 into 1 you will get 25. Now in the last one 8 is fi and ui value is 2. So 8 into 2 you will get 16. Okay, so you are getting this one. Now you have to calculate summation of fi ui. Why? Because in the question it is written summation of fi ui by fi. Okay, now what you will do, you will first add minus 24 and minus 15. Now add minus 24 and minus 15. How much you will get? 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 1 3 means minus 39. Now minus 39 plus 25, because 0, if you will add 0 or subtract 0 it does not matter at all. So minus 39 plus 25, how much you will get? 5 plus minus 9 minus 5 4, 3 minus 2 1. So you are getting 14. Now 14 minus 14. Why? Because 39 is greater. So minus 14 plus 16. Why plus 16? Because now we have plus 16 here. Here we have. So minus 14 plus 16 you will get minus plus minus 16 minus 14 2. 16 you will write up and 14 you will write down. So you will get plus 2. So I am getting fi ui 2 only. Okay. Now class 10, you know that in escape deviation method mean formula is a plus summation of fi ui plus summation of fi into h. So from that chart which I have done before this, in that one a value is 75, summation of fi ui you are getting 2, summation of fi you are getting 8 and h is 30. Okay, so both first what you will do, you will write all that chart in your copy, then come to this one. Okay, I am not getting this, that is why I have to rub that one. Okay, so now 0 0 will cancel, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. 75 plus 3 by 4. Now divide this 2. In rough you will divide. So 4 you will write outside, 3 you will write inside. You have to put 1 0, so you have to give 1 decimal. 4 7s are 28. Subtraction. So it will come 10 minus 8 2 0. 4 5s are 20. So you are getting how much? 0.75. Means 75 plus 0.75. Now when you will add this 2, you will get 75.75. This is your answer. Okay, so mean will be 75.75 you are getting. You can take LCM and solve that one. This is also correct. Okay, or you can first divide this 2, write the answer, then add. This is also correct. It's upon you which method you want to follow. But answer will come 75.75. Okay, complete this one. Now class 10, see question number 11. First read the question properly. Let us see the ages of the persons present in a meeting and determine their average age from the following table. It will be meeting. Okay. So they are telling you to find average. Average means mean only using the table. Now in table you can see age years is given 30 to 34, first one. The second one is 35 to 39. Third one is 40 to 44, then 45 to 49, then 50 to 54, and then 55 to 59. Number of persons 10, 12, 15, 6, 4, 3. But in age years it is given 30 to 34. After that it must start from 34, because from the last sums up to the last sums we have seen that if it is ending with 34, it will start with 34 only. Yes or no? But in this question, it is ending with 34, but it is starting with 35. It means that we have to make it equal. Means if upper limit is 34, lower limit of this one is also 34. Or you have to make it equal. How you will make? In class 9 you have already done how to make, but again I am showing you how to make. What you will do class 10? First you will subtract 35 and 34. When you will subtract 35 and 34, what will be the answer? 1, because 35 minus 34 you will get 1. Half of 1 means 1 by 2. I am showing you here. Half of 1 means 1 by 2. You will get 0.5. Yes or no? Or 0.5 you can say also. Whatever question, whatever number will be given to you, first you will subtract upper limit with this lower limit. When I am subtracting 34 and 35, I am getting 1. And after subtraction, you will divide by 2. Always you will divide by 2. Okay? So I am getting 0.5. It means that this 0.5 will subtract with lower limit. Which one is the lower limit? This one, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 0.5 will subtract from lower limit and add in upper limit. This is the rule. Okay. So if you will subtract 0.5 from 30, you will get 29.5. Again, if you will subtract 0.5 from 35, you will get 34.5. Again, if you will subtract 0.5 from 40, you will get 39.5. Again, you will subtract 0.5 from 45, you will get 44.5. Again, you will subtract 0.5 from 50, you will get 49.5. Again, you will subtract 0.5 from 55, you will get 54.5. So, in lower limit, you will subtract whatever you will get here after division 1 by 2. When I am dividing, I am getting 0.5. So, that is why I am subtracting 0.5. Now, 0.5 will add in upper limit. So, here upper limit is 34. If you will add, it will become 34.5. Again, it is 39. When you will add 0.5, you will get 39.5. 44 will become 44.5. 49 will become 49.5. 54 will become 54.5. And 59 will become 59.5. Understood up to here? Now, number of percents means Fi. Fi is given 10, 12, 15, 6, 4, 3. Okay. Now, after doing this one, add this one. Okay. Summation of Fi. So, when you will add 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 15, how much you will get? 22 plus 15, 37 you will get. Then 6, 7, 13, 43, then 4, 47, then 3, means 50. Means after addition of this frequency, I am getting 50, so I am writing 50. So, a summation of Fi equals to 50. Okay. Now, Xi you got 32, this 37, 42. How? You know that if class interval is given to you, you will add that upper limit plus lower limit and divide by 2. Or you can say lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2. Both are same. Okay. But in this question, age or years is not same. Means upper limit and lower limit not same. So first we are making this one equal. After making this one equal, now we will take lower limit this one and upper limit this one. Okay, now we will not see this one. Okay, age or years we will not see. Now we will see only class boundary. And this one is known as a class boundary. Okay, now lower limit plus upper limit or upper limit plus lower limit both are same. Okay, so add 29.5 plus 34.5 divide by 2. When you will add, you will get 64 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 2s are. So 32. Again 34.5 plus 39.5 divide by 2. 74 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are 2 7s are 37. Now again you will add this and this 39.5 and 44.5 by 2. You will get 84 by 2. 2 ones are 2 4s are 2 2s are means 42. Now 44.5 plus 49.5 divided by 2, you will get 94. 2 2 ones are 2 4s are 2 7s are means 47. Again 49.5 plus 54.5 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 2 2s are. So we are getting 52. Now 54.5 plus 59.5, you will get 114 by 2. You will get 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Okay, so xi we are getting 32, 37, 42, 47, 52, 57. Okay, now you have to find fi xi. Class 10, in question it is not mentioned which method you will follow. So I am following in this question direct method because it is easy. You know that direct method, when you will find mean using direct method, formula will be summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So it will be easier for us to find using direct method. That is why I am following direct method, because it is not written which method we have to follow. We can follow any method according to our convenience. Okay, so after going up to here, you will find fi xi. Fi xi, fi is how much? 10. Xi is 32. So 10 minus 32, 320. Now fi is 12. 12 into 37, 12 into 37, 444. Now fi is 50, xi is 42. 50 into 42, you will get 630. Now fi is 6 and xi is 47. 6 into 47, 282. Again fi is 4, xi is 52. 4 into 52, 208. Now fi is 3 and xi is 57. There, here. So we will get 171. Now we have to add this one to find summation. Okay, when we will add fi xi, we will get 2000. 3 into 57. Okay, summation of fi xi, when you will do, when you will add, you will get 2055, means 2055 you will get after dividing, after addition, this and this. Okay, I am not getting this, that is why I am writing like this. Okay, now class 10, find mean. Mean formula is summation of fi xi by summation of fi. Mean summation of fi xi, you are getting 2055, so I have written 2055, and summation of fi is 5050, so you will write 5050. When you will divide this 2, you will get 41.5 years. Okay, mean, they are telling you to find years, so mean will be years, or you can write here average also, because they are saying you to find average, both are same, but if they are telling you, you can write it this. So you will get 41.5 years. Okay, so you can divide by your own and find 41.51. Class 10, see question number 13. It is little bit different because in class interval it is written less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, and number of girls students are 5, 9, 17, 29, 45. Okay, so when less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, this type of question will be given to you, how you will do the sums. Class interval is less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. Now class boundary, you have to make class boundary by your own. It's very simple and easy. What you will do, you will start from 0 and you will write up to 10. So 0 to 10. Less than 20 means 10 to 20. Less than 30, 20 to 30. Less than 40, 30 to 40. Less than 50, 40 to 50. Okay. But class 10, less than 20 means it can be 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5. Why? Because less than 20 means it can be 0 also. Because 0 is also less than 20. So when you are making class boundary, when you are starting from 0 and you are ending with 10, then again starting with 10, ending with 0, at that time frequency you have to change. How you will change the frequency? Go to your book, open your book and see number of girls are written, first 5, then 9. So first you will write as it is, 5 you will write as it is, but from the second one you have to subtract. I am showing you here, the number of girls is given like this, 5, 9, 17, 29 and 45. This is number of girls. So So first one you will write as it is. Now you will subtract this with this. 9 minus 5. See, 9 minus 5, 4. Then you will subtract this with this. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, 8. Then you will subtract this with this. 29 minus 17. 29 minus 17, 12. Then you will subtract this with this. 45 minus 29. You will get 16. Understood? So whenever less than type is given to you, at that time you will start from 0 and you will write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 40, 40 to 50. But when the things will change, in FI it will change. First one you will write as it is, and from second one you have to subtract. 9 minus 5, 4, 17 minus 9, 8, 29 minus 17, 12, 45 minus 29, 16. Understood? Now summation of FI then you will do, you will write 45. Number of girls you will write 45. How? 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16. When you will add, you will get 45. Now xi, you will find xi by seeing this class boundary. So class boundary is 0 to 10, means 10 plus 0 by 2. So it will come 10 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are 5. Okay, 10 to 20 means 20 plus 10 by 2, you will get 2 ones are 2 5s are, so 15. Then 30 to 20 means 30 plus 20 by 2, 50 by 2, 25. Then 40 to 30 means 40 plus 30 by 2, so you will get 17 by 2. Cancel this one, you will get 25 here, 2 ones are 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 35. Then 50 plus 40 by 2, 2 ones are 2 4s are 2 5s are 45. Now FI XI will be 5 into 5. FI is 5, XI you are getting 5. So 5 into 5, 25, then 4 into 15, then 8 into 25, then 12 into 35, then 60 into 45. After doing this multiplication, you will get summation of FI XI is 1425. Mean formula is summation of FI XI by summation of FI. I am using direct method. So summation of FI XI is 1425, summation of FI is 45. Now cancel this one using 5 stable 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 4 will come here, 5 8s are 40, 5 5s are 25. So 285 divided by 9. When you will divide, you will get 31.666. You know how to divide class 10. You are in now class 10, so you know how to divide. Now what I am doing, I am writing in approx form. Means if it is 6, I will take this one here, 1 will come here, it will become 31.67. So this one is your answer. Okay, complete this one. Class 10 your homework is exercise 26.1, question number 9 to 10, 12 and 14. And if you have any queries, you can ask me in the given email ID, and by tomorrow submit your homework. Okay, thank you.